Hello, I'm Kate Tihina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. The break for the Japanese yen, which it took in 2010, probably ends. The investors at the world financial markets have already started to switch their attention from the Greek problems and the euro, and the Japanese currency may turn out to be as the next subject for beating. The yen escaped markets' attention until now this year. Taking into account the strengthening of investors' unwillingness to risk, the yen found support due to its status of asylum currency during the most part of January. During last 2 weeks, the support started to weaken, but since the investors were worried by the situation with the Greek debt, the increasing fears concerning the economy of Japan were ignored in a whole, and the dollar-yen pair was traded in very narrow range of 89.91. However, everything should change now. New evidences that the Japanese economy is still struggles with the deflation appeared this week. The economy did not react to the ambitious government's spending programs, which promotes the significant growth of the country's debt, but also to the measures on the quantitative softening which the Bank of Japan held during months. The currency analyst strategist called this as a threatening situation for Japan. In the previous fourth quarter, the country's GDP decreased by 3%, and now new data testify that the activity in the service sector slowed down, and the demand falls with the rapid rates for 9 months. Since the incomes of households decrease, the recovery of this sector in the nearest future is an unlikely event. The Ministry of Finance and the Bank of Japan quickly coordinated the goal of inflation-targeted level achievement, which is 1%. The problem is that nobody knows how to do this. New budget spending, which badly helped in the past, will hardly make the Japanese assets attractive for the investors. Meanwhile, as admitted the governor of the Bank of Japan, Shirakawa, the quantitative softening had also a limited effect on this problem. The Bank of Japan remained its key interest rate at the level of 0.1% on Thursday. The investors' fears have been already observed at the swap market on the sovereign credit default, where the price for the Japanese securities again started their steady growth, having achieved this month the levels which were recently observed in March 2009. This soon may have an impact on the yen. The currency analyst strategist forecast that the serious breach of the resistance level, which is 19.75 by the dollar-yen pair, can provide more stable growth in favor of the first target level of 92. Due to this situation, the dollar may approximate again to its height at the beginning of this year, and to guarantee even stronger decline of the yen, if the investors' propensity to risk will maintain at the low level, and investors will sell the currency. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News Team. Goodbye.